Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this week's new releases. Plus, we have an awesome sale for you guys. So everything in my shop is going to be 20% off. I'm going to link all the info down below so you can check that out. And I will also have a link to all the other shops participating in the sale. There's so many amazing shops, so definitely go check them out. They all have different amounts that their shop is discounted. So like mine is 20%, but I know some shops have 25, 30, 35. So all that information is going to be down in the description box for you guys, but let's get into this week's new releases. All right, so this week we have 4 new collections and they are all like summer themed. One of them is a 4th of July theme, so let's just get into it. I want to mention real quickly before we get started, the first 4 pages of the kit that I'll show you are part of the mini kit, and then all of them together make up the full kit. Mini kits and full kits get these for freebies, so I don't want to have to like stop and mention it every single time. So just know every single kit that gets placed like in order gets all these freebies. Sometimes it may not have the deco or the girlful boxes depending on if those things are in the kit, but every full and mini kit gets these freebies. So I'm going to set those aside for right now. We're going to get into it, and like I said, I'll point out the first 4 pages that are part of the mini kit, and then everything else is part of the full kit. Alright, so this is our cake kit. I just thought it was appropriate since there was cake in the kit, but this beautiful artwork, it's so beautiful. I love the colors. So there's sheet 1, then you have your functional page, your half boxes, quarter boxes, washi, date covers. That's the mini kit. Those 4 pages, the mini kit. Then you have headers, some more labels and washi strips. You have another full box. You have some heart checklists, just some random stickers there, and then your ombre heart checklist. So that is our cake collection, and it comes with these freebies. So you get date covers, you get deco with this one, you get these cute little icon doodle stickers, some bill due work labels, and some more habit trackers, glitter washi, or glitter, not glitter washi, glitter headers, and then your extra girl box. So like I said, that is our cake collection. Next up, we have our picnic collection. So I'm gonna set the freebies aside. This one's like all out of order. So you have your full boxes. It's just like a nice like beachy picnic theme, which I really like. And then you have your functional sheet. I know it's a little hard because it's kind of bright. Let me like try to fix that if you guys can see a little bit better. Then you have your half boxes and your washi and date covers. Again, those first 4 pages are the mini kit, and now we get into the full kit. So the full kit is the 4 I just showed you plus the 4 that I'm gonna show you, if that makes sense. So you have more labels, you have some headers, you have another full box and some more of your random stuff and heart checklist, and then your ombre heart checklist. So that is our beach, or I guess it's not beach, it's picnic, sorry. Picnic themed kit, and then you get your date covers, deco, glitter headers, doodles, another like functional sampler, and then your girl full boxes. And those again come free with both the mini and full kits. So no matter what kind of kit you get, you will get these for freebies. Next up, I believe this one I called Carnival. No, Boardwalk. This is Boardwalk, sorry. I'm like getting all confused about the names, and I don't put the names of the kit on there anymore, so I'm like, what is the name of this? So I'm obsessed with this one. This is so pretty. So you have your full boxes, your functional sheet, your half boxes, washi and date covers. That's the mini kit. And then you have your headers and washi, more washi labels, more just labels, another full box, your kind of miscellaneous like functional stickers, and your ombre heart checklist. And then you have date dots, deco, doodles, your functional sampler, glitter headers, and your girl full boxes. So again, all the kits come with these as freebies. And that is our Boardwalk collection. All right, and the last sticker collection we have is this one, and this is gonna be Freedom. So you have your full boxes, functional sheet. Oops, they're out of order. You have your half boxes and your washi and date covers, and that's the mini kit. And then you have headers, more labels, another full box, and some functional stuff. And then your ombre heart checklist. And then the freebies for this one, again, include your date covers, deco, glitter headers, this isn't deco, doodles, functional sampler, and your girl full boxes. Now moving on into stuff that is not stickers. I'm very excited about this. So I have ordered some wholesale products. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I did that a lot last year, and I decided to bring more to the shop for you guys. So we're just gonna get in and talk about it. I do wanna mention that all the stickers will be unlimited stock. If something runs out, just email me and I can add that back in real quick for you guys. But these products, because I am not making these products, I am ordering them and have to have them shipped to me. These will be limited stock, and when something sells out, I will be able to get more. You know, I'll just have to place an order, but I won't be able to get more for the sale. So like once it sells out, it's out for a little bit, if that makes sense. But let's just get into it. So I know planner people love pins. So we have several new pins, and like I said, limited stock. So if you see something that you like in this, I definitely recommend getting it as soon as possible, because once it sells out, I can't restock it as quickly. So I can't restock it for the sale. But so we have this one. This is like a white chunky glitter. It's so pretty. And then we have this one. It's just a like pastel rainbow theme. I believe that this one is my absolute favorite. This is a marble pin. I just think it's so pretty. Then you have this one, which is like a kind of mermaid scale kind of pin, but it's just white. This is like a pink leopard theme or pink cheetah. I think it's leopard. I don't know. I don't remember, but it will be listed on our website. You guys can see what I call it, but it's like a pink, I think it's leopard, pink leopard pin. All right, then we have this chunky blue glitter. We have some chunky pink glitter, very pretty. And then we have this one, which is just like the mermaid scales, but like the pink scale. We have these little to-do list sticky notes, so cute. I also ordered these notepads. They have like schedule, to-do, notes, habits, and your water tracking. And you can like select the day and write the date. So pretty, so cute. And then lastly, we have this desk planner pad. This, I know it's still in the package, so it's kind of like hard to see, but you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekend. You have a to-do list, you have a note section, and a habit tracker, and it matches this one. So I just thought that was nice. So yeah, like I said, we have limited stock on that. So if you want any of those things, make sure to pick them up. Alright guys, so those are all the new releases in the shop this week. Don't forget to check out the links below for all the sale information and check out all the other amazing shops in the sale. But that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!